Let's walk on the wise path.
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're tapping into something extraordinary. What if I told you that the energy around us, something you might not even be fully aware of, can be influenced and shaped by none other than you? Yes, that's right. We're about to dive into an ancient and esoteric realm of knowledge, typically reserved for the highest echelons of Masonic wisdom, the 33rd degree. This is not just about learning. It's about awakening to the possibility that we can actually mentally control the energy field. Imagine the implications. This could change the way you interact with the world on a fundamental level. So, buckle up as we explore the invisible yet palpable energies that surround us and learn how to harness them to transform both our personal lives and the environment around us. The energy field unveiling the invisible. Picture this. You're sitting in your living room. Everything is calm, but suddenly you feel an inexplicable shift in the atmosphere. Maybe a chill runs down your spine, or you feel an overwhelming sense of peace wash over you. These sensations are more than just fleeting feelings. They are interactions with the energy field around us. The concept of an energy field isn't just reserved for the realm of esoteric philosophy. It's a fundamental aspect of our existence. Everything in the universe is composed of energy, from the tiniest particles to the vast expanse of galaxies. This energy vibrates at different frequencies, creating a dynamic and interconnected web that we are all a part of. This web, often referred to as the energy field, aura, or biofield, is the canvas upon which our thoughts, emotions, and actions are painted. Our energy field is influenced by various factors, including our thoughts, emotions, physical health, and the environments we inhabit. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately sensed tension, even if no words were spoken? This is your energy field interacting with the residual energy left by others. Conversely, think of the warmth and positivity you feel when surrounded by loved ones. This is a harmonious energy exchange at work. Understanding the energy field begins with acknowledging its presence. This field isn't visible to the naked eye, but its effects are palpable. Ancient traditions and modern science alike recognize its existence. For instance, in Eastern philosophies such as Qigong and Reiki, the energy field is manipulated to promote healing and balance. Similarly, contemporary scientific studies in biofield therapy explore how subtle energy fields can influence health and well-being. But the real game changer is realizing that you have the power to influence this energy field. It's like being handed the paintbrush to your own life's canvas. Through conscious intention and practice, you can learn to shape the energy around you, enhancing your personal experiences and interactions. This ability isn't reserved for mystics or sages. It's an inherent human potential that anyone can tap into with the right knowledge and tools. As we delve deeper into the art of energy manipulation, you'll discover how to harness this invisible force. You'll learn techniques to cleanse, balance, and amplify your energy, transforming not just your own life, but also the lives of those around you. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery and empowerment, unveiling the invisible and stepping into our roles as co-creators of our reality. The basics. What is energy manipulation? Let's get down to the basics. What exactly is energy manipulation? It might sound like a concept pulled straight from a fantasy novel, but it's a practice rooted in ancient traditions and supported by modern understanding of physics and biology. At its core, energy manipulation involves the conscious direction and alteration of the energy that permeates our world. This energy, often referred to as prana, chi, or life force, is the fundamental building block of all existence. It flows through everything, connecting all living beings and the universe itself. When we talk about energy manipulation, we're talking about influencing this flow to achieve desired outcomes, whether for healing, personal development, or enhancing our surroundings. Think of energy manipulation as a kind of energetic craftsmanship. Just as an artist shapes clay into a beautiful sculpture, you can shape the energy around you to create a desired state or effect. This might sound daunting, but it's a natural ability we all possess. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. With practice, you can fine-tune your skills to become a master at this craft. One of the simplest forms of energy manipulation is the practice of grounding. Grounding involves connecting your energy with the Earth's energy to achieve balance and stability. This can be as simple as walking barefoot on grass or visualizing roots extending from your body into the ground. Grounding helps to dispel excess energy and absorb the Earth's stabilizing force, making you feel more centered and calm. Another basic technique is energy cleansing. Over time, our energy fields can accumulate negativity or become unbalanced due to stress, negative thoughts, or toxic environments. Cleansing practices such as smudging with sage, taking salt baths, or using crystals can help to clear this stagnant energy and restore harmony. It's like taking a shower for your energetic body, washing away the grime to leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Then there's energy shielding, a vital technique for protecting your energy field from external negativity. By visualizing a protective barrier around yourself, you can prevent unwanted energy from affecting you. This is particularly useful in crowded or emotionally charged environments, where you might otherwise absorb negative vibes from others. Energy manipulation also extends to more advanced practices, such as energy healing. This involves directing healing energy to yourself or others to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Techniques like Reiki, therapeutic touch, and quantum healing are all forms of energy healing that utilize the practitioner's intention and focus to channel beneficial energy. Ultimately, energy manipulation is about becoming aware of the subtle energies that influence our lives and learning to work with them consciously. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, opening up new possibilities for personal growth and transformation. As you practice and refine these skills, you'll start to notice profound changes in your life and your interactions with the world around you. Learning from the Master's insights from the 33rd degree. The Masonic 33rd degree is often shrouded in mystery and intrigue, representing the pinnacle of knowledge and wisdom within the Masonic tradition. Those who have reached this level are considered to possess a deep understanding of esoteric truths and the mysteries of the universe. Among these insights is the profound knowledge of energy manipulation. The Masons believe that mastering one's personal energy is the first step towards influencing the broader energy field. This concept is not merely theoretical. It's a practice grounded in the principles of self-discipline, moral integrity, and spiritual development. According to the teachings of the 33rd degree, the energy we emit is a reflection of our inner state. Thus, cultivating a harmonious inner life is essential for effective energy manipulation. One of the core teachings is the importance of intention. In the realm of energy manipulation, intention is everything. It's the guiding force that directs energy towards a specific purpose. The Masons teach that a pure, focused intention can shape reality. This is reminiscent of the saying, "Where attention goes, energy flows." By aligning our intentions with positive outcomes, we can direct the flow of energy in ways that benefit ourselves and those around us. Another key insight from the 33rd degree is the interconnectedness of all things. This idea, often symbolized by the Masonic compass and square, highlights the harmonious relationship between the individual and the universe. Just as a compass draws a circle, symbolizing unity and wholeness, we are reminded that our actions and energy affect the larger whole. Understanding this interconnectedness is crucial for responsible energy manipulation. The Masons also emphasize the power of symbols and rituals. Symbols, such as the Masonic apron or the square and compass, serve as focal points for directing energy. Rituals, on the other hand, are structured practices that channel energy towards a desired outcome. These rituals often involve visualization, chanting, or specific physical actions that help to align the practitioner's energy with their intention. By engaging in these practices, Masons learn to harness and direct their energy with precision and purpose. Moreover, The Masons teach that true mastery of energy requires ethical and moral development. This isn't just about manipulating energy for personal gain. It's about using this power to promote harmony, healing, and positive transformation. The Masonic Code of Conduct, which emphasizes virtues such as honesty, compassion, and humility, is integral to this process. By cultivating these virtues, practitioners align their energy with higher frequencies, enhancing their ability to influence the energy field positively. The insights from the 33rd degree also include the understanding of cycles and rhythms. The Masons recognize that energy moves in cycles, much like the phases of the moon or the changing seasons. By attuning to these natural rhythms, we can synchronize our actions with the flow of universal energy, amplifying our effectiveness. This principle can be applied to various aspects of life, from personal growth to professional endeavors, ensuring that our efforts are aligned with the optimal timing for success. Meditation, the gateway technique. Meditation is often seen as a gateway to inner peace, but it's also a powerful tool for energy manipulation. By meditating, we quiet the mind, reduce stress, and generate positive energy that not only benefits us, but can also influence the environment around us. The process is simple yet profound. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This act of focusing brings you to the present moment, away from the chaotic energies of day-to-day life. As you breathe in and out, visualize your energy as a bright light growing stronger with each breath. This light represents your positive intentions and your ability to connect with the universal energy field. As you deepen your meditation practice, you'll start to notice subtle changes in your perception. The room might feel lighter, your thoughts clearer, and your emotions more balanced. This isn't just psychological. It's your energy field aligning with the peaceful vibrations you are cultivating. This practice isn't about escaping reality, but enhancing it. By regularly meditating, you develop the ability to maintain calm and clarity, even in stressful situations. This isn't just beneficial for you, it radiates out, affecting others around you positively. Imagine if everyone could tap into this calm. What a harmonious world we could create. Visualization painting with your mind. Visualization is the art of creating vivid mental images of what you desire, thereby drawing it into your reality through the power of your focused intention. This technique is like painting with the mind's eye, using your imagination to color your world with the hues of your deepest desires and aspirations. Let's try an exercise right now. Imagine a sphere of light in your favorite color surrounding you. This light represents your energy, vibrant and alive. Now, think of a recent challenge or conflict. Visualize that colored light expanding, engulfing the challenge in its glow. Mentally transform the conflict into an image, perhaps knots unraveling or dark clouds clearing. As you do this, feel the tension lifting, the problem resolving. This practice can be applied in numerous situations, whether you're gearing up for a difficult conversation, setting goals for the future, or simply seeking to enhance your current state of being. By visualizing positive outcomes, you not only align your mental and emotional state with your desires, but also send out energies that attract similar positive circumstances. Visualization is not about wishful thinking. It's an active, dynamic process that harnesses your creativity and intention to influence your reality. It's empowering to realize that your mind can paint reality in the colors of your choosing, and with regular practice, this skill becomes a powerful tool for personal and spiritual growth. Breathing the rhythm of energy. Breathing is the most basic and essential rhythm of life, yet it holds profound powers in regulating and directing our energy. Think of your breath as the conductor of your body's orchestra, setting the pace and tone for your energy flow. Controlled breathing not only calms the mind and body, but also aligns your energy with the frequencies of the universe. This controlled breathing acts as a bridge, connecting your physical state to your mental and emotional states. By mastering your breath, you master the pace at which energy flows through you. This can be particularly useful when preparing for energy manipulation practices. For example, before a visualization session, a few rounds of deep breathing can prepare your mind and body, making your energy manipulation efforts more effective. Breathing is also a powerful tool for detoxifying the body. Each deep breath encourages the release of toxins, both physical and emotional. As you exhale, imagine releasing negativity, stress, and tiredness. With each inhale, visualize drawing in fresh energy, filling your body with vitality and peace. This not only revitalizes your personal energy, but also enhances your ability to influence the energy around you positively. Advanced techniques directing energy. Now that you're familiar with tuning your own energy through meditation and visualization, let's explore how to project this energy outward to influence the world around you. Directing energy is an advanced technique that can be used for various purposes, including healing, protection, and improving the ambience of a space. To direct energy, start by grounding yourself. You can do this by visualizing roots extending from your feet deep into the earth. This grounding stabilizes your energy, making it easier to control and direct. Once grounded, focus on the intent or goal you wish to achieve. Whether it's sending healing energy to a friend or clearing a room of negative vibes, clarity of intention is key. Now, use your hands as a focus point. Imagine the energy flowing from your core, through your arms and out of your palms. Direct this energy toward your target. Visualize it as a beam of light, carrying your intentions to the recipient or space. It's crucial to maintain a clear and focused mind during this process. Distractions can scatter the energy, reducing its effectiveness. This technique can be particularly powerful in healing contexts. For instance, if you know someone who is ill, you can send them healing energy by visualizing a warm, soothing light enveloping them, promoting their body's natural healing processes. Remember, the key here is not just your ability to direct energy, but also your intention behind it. Positive, loving intentions amplify the energy's beneficial effects. Energy etiquette, handling your power. With the ability to manipulate energy comes a significant responsibility. It's essential to approach these practices with respect and an ethical mindset. Energy manipulation is not about exerting power over others, but about co-creating positive experiences and outcomes. Firstly, always seek consent if you intend to direct energy towards another person, particularly in a healing context. Just as you wouldn't touch someone without permission, the same respect should be extended energetically. Moreover, be mindful of not imposing your will on others. Energy manipulation should be used to empower, not overpower. For instance, rather than trying to change someone's mind or mood, focus on creating a supportive environment that encourages positive change. This respects free will while promoting a positive outcome for all involved. Lastly, remember that energy manipulation is a practice of balance. While it's important to emit positive energy, it's equally crucial to ensure you're not depleting your own reserves. Maintain a healthy balance by regularly cleansing your own energy field and replenishing it through practices like meditation, spending time in nature, and engaging in activities that nourish your soul. Becoming a co-creator. By mastering the techniques of energy manipulation, you become more than just a passive observer of life. You become an active participant, a co-creator of your reality. This journey of learning and growth not only transforms you, but also has the potential to positively affect those around you. Every step you take in mastering your energy contributes to a more harmonious, vibrant world. Remember, the practice of energy manipulation is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a heart centered on genuine intent. Whether you're seeking personal transformation or aiming to make the world a bit brighter, the key lies in consistent practice and ethical conduct.